There's a rhythm moving quietly under thought and memory. Every signal answers fast, restoring balance from the past. No instruction, no command, something deeper understands. When the body meets repair, the answer's already there. I don't have to force the flow. The system already knows. The body knows the way to heal. It responds before I feel. Every cell aligns in time, guided by a deeper mind. I release control and strain. Order rises once again. I trust what moves beneath my sight, restoring strength, restoring life. When something harmful enters in, response begins from deep within. Protection builds without delay, clearing threads along the way. Nothing random, nothing late. Each response is accurate, designed to cleanse, defend, restore, returning balance more and more. I stay calm, I stay aware. The solution's always there. The body knows the way to heal. It responds before I feel. Every cell in time, guided by a deeper mind. I release control and strain. Order rises once again. I trust what moves beneath my sight, restoring strength, restoring life. Fear directs this inner flow. It acts with wisdom all its own. Repair unfolds both slow and fast, returning wholeness that will last. The body knows the way to heal. This process works beyond my will. I soften into quiet trust. Everything adjusts.